Hi everyone, I'll be showing you how to do a lazy glam look. So this is basically when you're forced to be somewhere by your parents or whoever. So like a wedding, maybe a birthday party, and you don't really want to be there and you can't really go home because it's rude and also you can't drive. So let's get started. I'm going to quickly do my base makeup because it's pretty self-explanatory, and then I'm going to move in to start doing my eyebrows to get them out of the way, and then I'm going to shift into my eye makeup. So I'm starting off with a base color just to like give myself a nice clean area to work with, and then I'm going to take this slightly orangey peachy color and put that into my outer corners and shift it upwards for a nice blended look. Now I'm going to take a reddish brown color and I'm going to put that in my outer corners, and I'm going to define my crease. And I'm going to blend it in with the orangey color that I applied earlier. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly wipe away the bake and then take some golden glitter, because gold just looks a little bit better on me than silver does, and put that onto my eyelid and blending it slightly into my crease. After that, I'm going to take the same golden glitter and put that onto my lower lash line and my inner corner and blending it towards the middle. And then I'm going to take the same reddish brown that I used earlier and put that in my lower lash line, blending it into the gold that I put just now. After this, I'm going to line my waterline with a pencil liner and then use a liquid liner for my top lash line. After this, I'm going to apply some magnetic lashes because they're just easier than glue-on lashes, and then apply some liquid blush. This is a really nice blush, but you can go overboard with it really easily. I'm slowly starting to wonder if I am addicted to this highlighter because it's starting to become a huge part of my life, whether I'd like to admit it or not. And I just realized that I can't stop putting more and more on in the most unnecessary locations, but that's okay. So that way, if you're caught in public crying, you can just say it's a new highlighter and you're just like trying something new. So the goal of highlighter isn't to make yourself look like a vampire from Twilight, so don't put it all over your face. Right now, I don't know, something is happening. Now I don't have time to curl all of my hair. I'm kidding, I'm in lockdown, I have all the time in the world, but I am lazy. So I'm just gonna like curl the parts of my hair that are like a little like extra frizzy because I let it air dry, so it's like kind of wavy already, and this is like a 1-inch curler, so it's just gonna make like little waves in my hair, which is like totally fine by me. I'm just like, I don't give a fuck, I'm just here, that's all that matters. And this is dangerous, don't do this at home. Don't talk to people while I buy don't wave curling irons in people's faces, it's bad. Honestly, if I had like a penny for each time I've gotten stuck in like any traditional clothing, I'd probably like be on par with Bill Gates, cause what the Now, I was considering putting on red lipstick with this, but then I was like, you know what, this like glowy look kind of suits this like outfit. So yeah, I'm a psychopath when it comes to glittery things. Like, I just love all shiny things. Like, you see me putting on these like giant 1-pound earrings and you shouldn't even question me because I love sparkly things, and this is also a sparkly thing. One that won't get in my freaking ear, but it's still a sparkly thing and I really like it. So this is the final look, and I really like it. Let me know in the comments if you do as well. Y'all shouldn't even be outside anyway, like stay home. So I'll see you guys with another dumb video. Until then, stay safe, stay clean, stay happy. Bye!